We thank you for joining us here on Wilderness Weather. I'm meteorologist Thomas Gathright here on the evening of March 13th, 2025. We've got a very windy day ahead of us tomorrow for really the entire state of Oklahoma. There are many different kind of warnings and advisories for the day tomorrow. From 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. tomorrow. Central Oklahoma, really most of central, northern, and western Oklahoma are all under a high wind warning and a red flag warning, and then southeastern Oklahoma to Ada and areas farther southeast from Ada are under a wind advisory and a red flag warning also. So we've got some very strong winds tomorrow, mainly 30 to 40 mile an hour winds, sustained winds with gusts up to 50 or potentially as high as 60 miles an hour, and in the western part of the state could even get up towards 70. Very windy day tomorrow, and the other concern is how dry it's going to be, and that's why we have a red flag warning. So any fires that start tomorrow could spread very quickly with the winds as strong as they are. So that's what the red flag warning is. And yeah, for a little farther south and east, the winds won't be quite as strong. Oh, sorry, my camera is falling down. So that's what we've got for tomorrow. So be very careful traveling tomorrow. Definitely do not burn anything outside tomorrow. We'll definitely wait till Saturday if you were planning on burning anything. Definitely do not burn anything tomorrow. But yeah, be very careful traveling. Winds, cross winds blowing in from the west could be very, very strong tomorrow. This is even higher winds than what we had last Tuesday, and last Tuesday was a very windy day. So please be careful tomorrow. Now, Oklahoma will dodge the storm bullet this time, but this very, very strong area of low pressure is going to be moving off to the east and create some really terrible weather on Saturday, actually tomorrow also. Friday evening, some storms look to fire up in western Missouri, mainly straight line windstorms, and then impact the St. Louis area and on into Illinois as we head into late tomorrow night. Tornado threat is there, but mainly looks to be a damaging straight line wind event. I normally don't do weather videos for areas outside of Virginia and Oklahoma typically, but I'm probably going to over the next few days if some storms do fire up in that area on tomorrow evening. But the really big concern here is Mississippi, Alabama, and even up into Tennessee as we head into throughout the day on Saturday. It has the potential to be one of the worst tornado outbreaks we have seen in a few years. So if you're joining us from Mississippi, Alabama, please stay tuned. I will be keeping you up to date on Saturday because it could be a really prolific tornado outbreak as we head into Saturday. And even as you head into the East Coast, really from Florida all the way up to Pennsylvania, even some strong storms could happen on Sunday. So really the next 3 days, tomorrow the winds in Oklahoma, Texas, and then damaging straight line winds overnight, St. Louis, Missouri, and on into Illinois, and then tornado event on Saturday in the south, and then potentially some more storms on the eastern seaboard on Sunday. So yeah, sorry this is a long video, but just please stay tuned over the next few days and we'll keep you up to date. Thanks, and have a great and safe evening.